Okay guys, I want to show you, this is a small account I started this week. It's been a good Friday to me. I want to show you that a person that is teaching you or sharing these things, look at the win rate. There's only one red here, and 3 reds out of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Out of 13 trades, I lost only 3. So guys, this is your, I'm not your mentor, this is your educator. I know what I'm sharing with you is not for investment advice, but it's just for educational purposes. Okay, by the way, I forgot, this is a live account. This is a live account, real live account. You see, there is my surname right there. This is a small account. Obviously this is nothing from what other traders are making, but I'm just showing you that I do win.